Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you guys can tell by today's title, I am back with another unboxing of the Boxycharm. I do this every month, so if you guys haven't seen any of my videos, you guys should go check them out. But today is going to be the month of July Boxycharm, and I'm not gonna lie, I did do a little sneak peek of the box and I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna get right into this video. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and come join me on this journey. So let's just get right into this video and show you guys what I got for this month's Boxycharm. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. These are the 5 full-size items that come inside the month of July. It's the same box that comes every month. It says Boxycharm. It's black, pink on the inside. It has their little @ name for Instagram. If you post it, you just hashtag. And then it says Hello Charmer. And then the 5 items come inside the box. Let me pick this one up. But yeah, so you also get a pamphlet that comes inside the box as well. This one says Boxycharm Sunshine. Boxycharm. Do I have butterfingers today? What the hell? Okay, we're back. This says Boxycharm Sunshine, and it gives you 5 of the items that are in the box. It tells you a description of the item and like how to use it and what it is, and then it gives you the retail price as well. So this box, every box that comes every month is over $100 value, and I only pay $25 a month for 5 full-size products, which I think is a great deal. So if you guys love makeup, skincare, beauty, anything like that, this is definitely a box for you. You get name brand items that come in there, and it's all great quality stuff. So I truly think that it's worth it for me because, one, I don't like to go out and shop, so if I could get it delivered to my doorstep, by all means, that's like the greatest thing ever. So this is actually a really cool box. This box, it says Sunshine Box. Automatically I was like, ooh, I kind of like this box. So this is pretty much like skincare and stuff like that. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know, I didn't really read everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that with you guys today. So I'm just gonna go ahead in the order of what the pamphlet says, and I'm just going to read what the description is and tell you guys the actual value of the item. So the first item is 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. By the way, if I say the names wrong, I'm sorry. I don't know some of the brands that come in here, so these are all new brands too, and it's great quality stuff. You look them up on Instagram, you could see all their stuff. So this one is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. So this is what the product looks like. This is the outside of the product. Is it focusing? That's the outside of the product. And this alone is $135. By itself, this is already over the max of the box. This is $135. So let's see what it looks like. I kind of want to take it out. It says directions: shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. This is what it looks like. I kind of want to see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything, so that's kind of good too, because anything that you put on your face, I don't like to put anything scented on my face. I feel like it makes me break out more and it leaves me feeling dry and stuff, so I don't like that. Yeah, you smell good, but you're not gonna look good with the scent stuff. It's kind of like a thick consistency. Wow, I'm really excited to try this out. This is literally $135. First of all, who is about to spend $135 on this little ass item? So this, to me, just because of the price, makes me feel like it's actually really good and worth it. Because, well, maybe not worth it, I don't know, I never tried it out yet, but I feel like it would actually work. But we'll see. We're gonna move on to the second item. The second item is CIATÉ London. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It's an everyday Vacay coconut setting spray. Set and refresh your makeup with CIATÉ London's everyday Vacay setting spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. And this is $22. So this is it. Let's see what the bottle looks like. I literally love coconut. Anything coconut, send it my way. So this is what it looks like. I kind of want to try it right now. I guess you could put it after makeup, right? Holds away closed eyes, mist face before and after makeup. Evenly cover face by using an X and T formation when spraying. So an X and a T, I guess. Let's try it. I'm scared. Whoa. Oh, that literally smells like a bottle of suntan lotion. Literally, or tanning oil. Yes, I'm feeling this. Make me feel like I'm at the beach every day. I'm with it. I love that. So the next item is damn, my face. Actually, it doesn't leave you that wet. I kind of like it. Ooh, and it dries. I don't think I look like, you know, sometimes when you put setting spray on, it can kind of leave you like patchy in a way if it comes out spraying weird. I feel like that's not what I look like, so that's a plus. Anyway, moving on to the next item. It is the Per Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Literally, I get so many eyeshadow palettes in the boxes every month, which is good, but I'm like, damn, what am I gonna do with so much eyeshadow? I barely wear eyeshadow, honestly. This is what it looks like. This is the back. Those are all the colors that are inside the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it for you guys so you can see. I just ripped the whole box. Whoops. Oh well, I don't keep the box anyway, I just keep the palette. So this is like festival colors, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit bright and stuff. So this is it. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. This is it. It says 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So there's 12 colors. This says euphoric, pure bliss, photo op, dreamland, turn it up, insta-worthy, vibes, onset, utopia, electric, fantasy world, and VIP pass. So like I said, it is festival themed, so it goes with the theme of these shadows. This is actually kind of really cute. I love brown colors. If you know me, like I'm wearing a brown on the lid right now, like simple. But I like brown and orange. But this one's beautiful. This purple, I'm living for it. I don't know why, I'm living for it. This is such a pretty shade. Ooh, I could do something with this. I'm excited. But that's cute. So the next item that I have is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle plus Energizing Eye Mask. It is a 12 pair, so it comes with 12 pairs in here. It says suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these beautiful eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. And this is $21. So this is it. Grace and Stella is the brand. eye mask. So I'm gonna open it to see what they look like. What the hell? All this plastic. Okay. We're getting it, people. And honestly, I've been needing eye masks for so long because I need to do my skincare routine a little bit better, because I feel like with the sun it's kind of like drying me out a little. And not even just that, I feel like me wearing a face mask every day at work and stuff, it's making me like break out and stuff. So I need good skincare stuff. And my eyes, I always like always, no matter how much sleep I get, I feel like I always have dark circles. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's genetic. Is that genetic? Like, I don't know. But no matter how much sleep I get, I always have dark circles. But this is what they look like. They're gold. Cute. It says Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. Directions on cleanse and makeup-free skin. Carefully place eye mask under eye area. Let mask work its brightening, depuffing, and hydrating magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Discard mask and massage remaining essence under the eyes. No need to rinse. So that's cool. You could tell, like, I don't know if you can see, it's like liquidy in here. So that's all of the, like, I guess like the hydrating stuff, all that in there. And you just put this underneath your eye, both eyes, and you let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes. And then when you're done with that, you discard it. You don't keep it or reuse it because that's gross. That's why they give you 12 in here. And then you just massage and rub in the rest of the remaining like liquid in your eyes. You don't have to rinse it. I like that too because I feel like it works better, and I feel like, you know, you just let it sit there and it's absorbing all the hydration and stuff. So this is really cool. I'm excited to try this out. And the last product that we have is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. It is with this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water, reusable and washable, and this is $17. So I recently just bought one on Amazon, which I don't know why, because when I do my makeup, I don't want to sit there and wash my brushes every time. So I need something quick to just take off the eyeshadow real quick and to just switch the color. So I ordered one off Amazon, which I'm so ed because like I literally get this box every month, but the only thing is this box comes for me so late every month, so I never know what's going to be inside my box. So that is one thing that I'm like annoyed about, but I don't think that's Boxycharm's fault. But this is it. This is what it looks like. And they always do stuff with Lavish. I've gotten other things with Lavish. That's the brand. So pretty much what this is, it's like a bristly like thing. You take your eyeshadow brush and you just rub it on here, and it takes off the eyeshadow for you, and you can use the next color. So this is super handy. Like, this is something like quick. Obviously you still need to like wash your brushes, but this is something that's like quick in the moment. Like, you need to change a color, blending, whatever it is, you just wipe it on here and you're good to go. This works literally amazing. I highly recommend this for anyone out there. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So at the end of this, in the description box, I will tally up everything and let you guys know the actual price of this box with the retail pricing. So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go click that subscribe button and leave a comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.